Ever wondered how some students effortlessly nail that cute school look while others struggle? Well, get excited because today, I'm unveiling the easiest and most effective tips to rock an adorable style at school. Alright, let's kickstart your cute school look from the very beginning. Your morning routine. Picture this. A fresh start to your day means a fresh canvas for your cute style. Start by hydrating, cleansing, and moisturizing your skin. These simple steps, they're like the secret sauce for that radiant glow. Trust me, taking care of your skin in the morning sets you up for a day of looking and feeling your best. Now let's chat about something fun. Your hair. Think of it as the cherry on top for your cute school look. You don't need a hairstyling degree for this. Try out simple hairstyles like ponytails, braids, or cute buns. Go with what feels right for you. And here's the kicker, add a cute hair accessory. It's like sprinkles on ice cream. That little extra charm that takes your look to the next level. Time for a magic trick. Mixing and matching your outfits. It's like creating your own style potion. Start with simple stuff like jeans or skirts. Then add in funky tees, hoodies, or cool jackets. Mix them up like ingredients in a recipe. The best part? You get to show off your unique style without any fuss. Accessories. They're like your best pals for styling. Picture this cute earrings, dainty necklaces, or even a bright backpack. They're like magic dust for your look. These tiny details, they can totally jazz up your whole vibe, like adding sprinkles to a cupcake. Alright, here's the golden rule. Confidence is key. Think of your smile as your superpower. Wear it like a crown. Embrace what makes you, well, you. Rock your style with confidence because guess what? That's the secret ingredient to looking super cute every... So there you have it. Awesome, people. With these simple tricks up your sleeve, you're all set to conquer each school day with an effortlessly cute style. Remember, it's not just about the clothes, it's about embracing your uniqueness and confidence. Now go out there, rock your fabulous style, and shine bright every single day. Thank you.